We will study chapter number 5, determiner. In this chapter, I will discuss about the use of determiner. So, what is mean by determiner? A determiner is a word that comes before a noun and shows its limits. Determiners are those words that come before a noun and show the limits of noun. They are really an adjective. Okay. Here are some determiner: a, and, the, all, to, but, both, this, that, my, your, some, any, each, every, little, few, many, much, a lot of. First of all, let's discuss about some and any. Some is normally used in affirmative sentence and any is used in negative and questions. Okay. Here are examples. Here are some birds in the tree. This is the positive sentence. There are some birds in the tree. We cannot use like there are any bird in the tree, it will long. There are not any bird in the tree. It is a negative sentence, not here. So we have used any here. We cannot use like there are not some bird in the tree, it will be wrong. Are there any bird in the tree? It's a question. It's an interrogative sentence. We have used any here. We cannot use like are there some birds in the tree, it will be wrong. So in case of positive we use some, and in case of negative and question we use any. Not means no. Not any means no. Like I have not any money in my pocket, it means I have no money in my pocket. Now comes much, many, a lot of. Much is used with uncountable noun and many is used with countable noun. Both are used in question and in negatives. Okay. When we ask any question and when there is a sentence in negative, we use much and many. For countable noun many, and for uncountable much. A lot of means particular group of people or thing, and we can use a lot of in affirmative sentence with both countable as well as uncountable nouns. For example, how many oranges do you have? Oranges are countable noun. So we have used many here in case of question. We do not have many oranges. Oranges are countable again. And it's a negative question. So we have used many here. We had a lot of oranges. It's a positive question. And so we have used a lot of here. How much cheese is there in the fridge? Okay. Cheese is uncountable. So question, we have used much here. There was a lot of cheese in the fridge. It's a positive sentence and we have used a lot of here. In case of uncountable noun too. So we can use a lot of in both case, countable as well as uncountable noun. Now comes a few, a little and enough. Few is used with countable, a little is used with uncountable, and enough is used with countable as well as uncountable. Okay, few is used with countable noun, little is used with uncountable noun, and enough with both countable as well as uncountable. One is there are enough eggs for breakfast. Okay, eggs are countable. We do not have enough money to buy a car. Money is countable in some sense and uncountable in other. I have got a few tomatoes and a little cheese. Tomatoes are countable, so few tomatoes, and cheese is uncountable. We cannot count cheese. We just measure cheese in kilograms. So it is uncountable. Here we use little cheese. Let's understand the concept of few and little. Few is an adjective of number and little is an adjective of quantity. There is a difference in use of few, a few and the few. What is the difference? See how. Few, it is a negative adjective. It is used in the sense of not many. Remember, not many. A few, it is in affirmative adjective. It is used in the sense of at least some. The few, it implies two statements, one negative and one affirmative. It indicates the whole of any particular number. For example, he makes few mistakes. It is used in the negative. It means he does not make many mistakes. He makes only few mistakes. He makes a few mistakes. He does make few mistakes at least. It means he does make at least few mistakes. It is used in the affirmative sense. I have corrected the few mistakes he have made. It means he did not make many mistakes and I corrected all of them. So the third sentence implies two things. He did not make many mistakes. I corrected the few mistakes he had made. He did not make few mistakes and I corrected all the mistakes that he has made. Okay, so few is used in negative sense. A few is used in affirmative. And the few, it's a combination of one negative and another affirmative statement. Now comes little. Okay, there are three concepts in case of little too. Little, a little or the little. Little is a negative adjective. It is used in the sense of not much. A little is affirmative adjective. It is used in the sense of at least some. The little implies two statements, one negative and one affirmative, like few. Okay. See how he had little milk. It means he did not have much milk. He had only little milk. He had a little milk. It means he had at least some milk. He drank the little milk he had. It implies two sentences. It means he does not have much milk and he drank all of it. Okay. So few is used in case of number. It means in case of the thing which are countable, and little in case of the thing which are uncountable. So students, I hope you all have get the difference between little, a little and the little. Okay. Little is used in negative adjective, a little is affirmative, and the little implies two statements, like this one, he drank the little milk he had. It implies two things. He did not have much milk and he drank all the milk he had. Okay. It means he did not have much milk and he drank all the milk he had. One negative and one affirmative. Thank you.